Hey guys, I am back with another video. This is an update video from the Posh hair bundles collection unboxing that I did for you guys. I actually put the hair in, I installed it myself, and I wanted to let you guys know how the hair is. So if you want to know more about this hair and you want to see me actually style it, stay tuned, alright? Mama needs some meal money. Alright guys, I'm back and I am ready to let you guys know about the hair. This hair is from the Posh hair bundles collection. If you guys are interested, I'm going to leave all of the information for the company in the description box below. Make sure you guys thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and press that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Okay, honey? What are you waiting for? So anyways, let's get into this hair right quick. Okay, so I installed it myself and I did a middle part. You probably can't see the part because your girl hair is off the chains. I straighten it, it looked nice in the morning. I curl it and it looks fabulous in the morning, but by the time I get home, this hair is razzle frazzle. Yep, I said it, razzle frazzle. So that's why it's looking like this right now. I actually just got off work and yeah, so anyways, this hair is not like, it don't get tangled, it gets frizzy. I'm guessing it doesn't get tangled because I always brush it, but that's for any hair, any wig, any hair, any whatever you put in your hair. If you're not taking care of your hair or you're not brushing it, or you know, it's eventually gonna get matted up and tangled. So you gotta take care of it, you gotta maintain it. So basically this is the hair. It comes down to about my bust line up front if I wear it like this, while I normally wear it like this, because I like my hair to be nice and popping up front, so you can see it up front because everybody not always in the back of me. But in the back, this is how it looks, and it comes down maybe to almost, you know, my back, my lower back. So that's the back of the hair. It's nice and flowing. I actually like this hair. It's not nappy or anything. And I can actually leave it in and wash it. I've washed it already too. I've conditioned it. It feels great after conditioning. I let it air dry and it's just amazing. This hair is amazing. When I did first install it, I flat ironed it. I made it really straight because I like really bone straight hair. I don't know what it is with me and bone straight hair. Don't ask. But I didn't like it bone straight, so I went ahead and washed it, and it looks like this in its natural form. So yeah. As far as me curling it, it looks fly when I curl it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. That's why this camera set up right here. It's in my bathroom. I got my handy dandy curler. I know people use wands nowadays, but I don't. I'm so old school. I used the wand and it burned me, so I don't like using them because they're so hot. And then who want to put on a damn glove when you gotta do your hair? Not me. So anyways, I normally flat iron with my little flat iron that I got for Christmas. I normally flat iron it with this, my real hair, the middle part. I flat iron it, but just for the purposes of this video, I'm not even gonna do that. It's gonna take a while. So what I do is I curl the hair. I put it around. And this is the highest setting. I normally don't do the highest setting, but I'm doing the highest setting just for the purposes of this video, so y'all can get a quick view of how it looks when it's curled. So this is the curl. Y'all see that? It looks nice. It's nice and coiled. Okay guys, so during this part I was rambling and I just wanted to get the point that this hair curls very nicely. I use my curling iron to do 3 curls away from my face, and then you can see as the video goes on that I curl the back bottom part any way, you know, possible. It doesn't matter if it goes back or front. I just like the front part of the hair to be away from my face. When you curl it away from your face, it looks more dramatic when you fluff it up. And if you curl it the opposite way, like if you curl it towards your face, it will make you look like Curly Sue. It'll make me look little like I'm young, or it'll make it look like I'm an old lady, and I don't want to look like that. So yeah, this is basically me curling my hair. So let's get back to the video. And there you have it. This is the side that I just curled. And this is the side that I curled earlier and it fell down. Like, this is the natural state of the hair without it being bumped up. So what I do is I'll curl my hair in the morning, and then I'll just walk around. I'll get ready for work, and I'll let the curls sit so it can get a little bit of a hold. I'll use Pump It Up. I don't spray 900 times of this on my hair because it gets nasty. Make your hair tangle. So you just do a couple of spritz of this. I don't use oil often because I don't want my hair to be looking like who did it and ran. So I spray a little bit of this maybe every other day so my hair can have a little bit of a natural look. And then what I'll do is after I'm done doing whatever I'm doing, getting ready for work, eating breakfast, after I'm done with that, I'll put my clothes on, and then I'll feather the hair out so it can look a little dramatic. You know what I'm saying? This is how the hair looks after I'm done. See how this hair look, how this side looks great and this side looks frumpy. So this hair is pretty good. Like, I ain't have no complaints so far. Every time somebody sees my hair like this, they're like, oh my god, your hair looks so nice. Especially when I'm doing my center part, when my hair looks fabulous all together. Everybody's always sending me compliments. And like I said, I've been wearing this hair since I did the review on it, right after I did the unboxing. So yeah, I love this hair. I really don't want to take it out, but I'm gonna leave it in because I did a full sew-in. So like I said, I wash it, I maintain it, I comb it. It's not nappy. You can see. So I've been taking really good care of it, and I love it. But yes, anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. I also want to thank the owner of Posh Hair Bundles Collections Company. Thank you, Aisha. You are awesome for sending me this hair. Again, girls, if y'all are interested, y'all can't lose getting this hair. You're not spending like $400, $500 on these bundles. You're spending some good money on these bundles, and the girl got discounts. You get percentages off, so you better hurry up before they get taken away. And while you're at it, make sure you thumbs up this video, and again, freaking follow me. What could you possibly be waiting for? I got content coming. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. And the hair is soft, and it smells like weave, like or hair. What is hair supposed to smell like? Roses? No, it smells like hair, like that.